A 2-volt battery is connected across points A and B as shown in the figure given below. Assuming that the resistance of each diode is 0 in forward bias and infinity in reverse bias, the current supplied by the battery when its positive terminal is connected to A is. So, if you look at the diagram now, these are the diodes. So, diode 1 in one direction, exactly opposite to that direction is another diode connected by 10 ohm resistances, and battery A and B. Since the diode in the upper branch is forward biased, so 2-volt battery is connected as shown in the figure below. So, this is positive, this is negative, this is 2 volt if I consider. This diode is in forward bias condition. D1 if I name, this diode is in forward bias condition and it acts as a short. This will open up the circuit. This will open up the circuit as it is in reverse bias. Now, current is EMF divided by resistance plus dynamic resistance of the diode. So, that is we are going to get EMF is 2 volt, that is applied voltage, resistance is 10 ohm, and resistance during forward bias is 0, dynamic resistance during forward bias, because it acts as a short wire only. Diode will act as a short wire during forward bias. So, the current is 0.2 ampere in the circuit. Since this circuit is open, current will flow like this only without entering this branch, this middle branch. So, option A is the right answer.